Yo, what's up TEKTHRILL fam? It's your boy TEKTHRILL here, back with another exciting video. Today, we're diving into the wild world of AI automation fails. From retail mishaps to healthcare hiccups, we're breaking down some of the most surprising and unexpected AI automation fails across different industries. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the times when AI decided to take a break from being brilliant and just straight up flopped. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, before we jump into the AI chaos, let's get everyone on the same page. What exactly are we talking about when we say AI automation? In a nutshell, it's about using artificial intelligence to automate tasks that humans typically do. Think of it like this. Imagine having a super smart assistant that can learn from data, make decisions, and take action, all without needing a coffee break. The point is, AI automation is about using technology to make things more efficient, faster, and ideally better. But here's the catch: building AI systems is incredibly complex. And even then, things can still go wrong, sometimes hilariously, sometimes disastrously. Let's kick things off with a trip to the mall, shall we? The retail industry has been all about embracing AI, using it for everything from personalized recommendations to optimizing inventory management. Take, for example, the case of a major clothing retailer. Let's just call them fashion faux pas. They decided to implement this cutting-edge AI system to predict future demand for their products. The AI went a little too gung-ho on its predictions. The result? Fashion faux pas ended up with warehouses overflowing with neon green jumpsuits that nobody wanted. This retail fail highlights a key challenge with AI automation: the garbage in, garbage out problem. In the fast-paced world of retail, those wacky results can mean the difference between a successful quarter and a fashion faux pas of epic proportions. Chapter 3: Healthcare Hiccups, AI's Medical Misdiagnosis. Now, AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, from speeding up drug discovery to assisting with complex surgeries. But when it comes to our health, even a small AI error can have major consequences. One case involved an AI diagnostic tool designed to detect skin cancer. Early tests showed incredible promise, with the AI seemingly outperforming experienced dermatologists in its accuracy. But then came the real-world trials. The AI had developed some, let's say, interesting diagnostic criteria. It seemed to have a strange fascination with rulers, classifying lesions